All right. Oh, yeah? Hi.
What's up?
Anyway, I'm in here. I'm going to start getting ready some of the engine bay stuff. Scottie's back there. Scottie,
Sir.
I see your arm. Where you at? Poke your head around the thing.
His head's not that small.
It's Scottie. There he is. He's handling the generator.
I'm handling something.
Yeah, you're always handling something. I'm starting to just disassemble up here in the engine bay. You notice this interesting return spring situation here. Yeah. Anyway, that's intriguing more than anything else. Your pull thing, Scott, for the generator's all the way up here.
Yeah, I still gotta.
Just kind of hokey.
Yeah.
I believe that's your fuel line right there.
Yep, correct.
Okay, that's gonna be fun. All right. So while you're chasing that, I'm gonna continue disassembling in here. I want to get these carbs up and out of our way. Get our fuel lines out of here. Already got our PCV set up partway apart, which looks like it was just a giant vacuum leak, which does not surprise me. Yeah, so, all right, I'm gonna carry on my wayward son. How's it going on that side of the fence, Scottie?
Good, good.
All right, got our throttle linkage out. That was no treat.
Right.
Our crankcase vent, I'm just gonna undo that hose clamp down there. That whole assembly's gonna come out. Then I'm gonna start on this fuel line spider. Get all that out. Get it all out and done. And then to the belts, or the belt, the alternator. Take care of the fan itself. We're moving forward. How's it going on that side of the fence, boys?
I'm going to be videoing this in just a second.
Okay.
As much as that would give us a good handle.
Carry on.